there. The one-way thing. Oh, it's down there a little bit. That one-way truck thing. And that's just the emergency thing if the vehicle loses control. It's supposed to be like an emergency ramp kind of thing if the vehicle doesn't have any brakes. That's weird, they only got one of them here. The White Path has at least one of those. Does it have it on both sides of the path? Well, one side's lesser than the other. And this video, please like, share, and subscribe.